Here we are Monday, doing a quick review of everything. I've got the window screens in the entryway. It's nice and clean. Door looks good enough. Such an odd spot for the fireplace, but we've got the panel down there that controls gas and igniter. All looks clean enough. We've got the fan. Not sure if it works. Wait, the light works, but I'm not getting power to turn the blades, and blades look a little jacked up. We got all the carpet in. There's some touch up that looks like it could be done here. I'm gonna go to full screen. So you got some scuff marks there. Clean this off. I'm trying to get power to all these lights. I think the bulbs are just out. I'm trying to get an idea of. Okay, yeah, these ceiling fans are terrible. There we go. Okay. Doors look okay. We've got a lot of scuff marks here that were just, I don't know if that was missed or if equipment on the way out hit it. Let me get out of the way here. That's probably not fully showing up on the camera, but we've got a lot of minor touch up here. It's the baseboard. Well, it never got hit, but I mean, clearly that should have been hit over there. Okay, here. So it just looks like a lot was missed. This was all, well, it's about to say it was all done pretty well. Again, just quick and fast. I think what happened here? Okay, in the bathroom. Looks clean enough. Got the dirty mirror here, kind of see that. Bottom there should be clean. Toilets need to be cleaned. Going back to the paint. It's okay. It needs a lot of touch-up work, but it's doable. Got to mark down the door. Oh, here. Again, it looks like they painted, but there was just certain things missed. All the plates need to be cleaned. You can see the appliances need to be once over and cleaned. Got some grime up top, inside the microwave. Missing the spinning plate. And I'm not sure what's going on here, but dishwasher needs to be cleaned. Same thing here, clean the plates, clean the appliances. Just checking the quality of work. I mean, you can look at the lines there are not perfect. Overall, I'd say it's passable for a rental, Like, see the white lines that meet the ceiling. Got some marks there. I think what happened was the prep work wasn't done. I mean, that might have been missed altogether. Again, this one's just kind of concerning here. I don't know if that was some equipment laid up against the wall, but clearly lots of pieces missed. It would not be that hard. It'd probably take a half hour touch of paint. Give it a mark here. Just some unevenness to it, which is expected for the grime they had on the walls. Windows need to be cleaned. Not sure what those are, razor blades maybe. Same thing on the bathroom, just needs to be cleaned. Mirrors are all dirty. Cabinets are all dirty. Underneath is all dirty. Looks like we got the window screen from that window is just sitting in here. And this looks like that's pitted. Again, the painting is just rushed. Some chip here. For $5,000, I think it's great, but transition strip here could be tucked a lot tighter, especially right here. You should have a transition strip, but that should be tucked a little better. Can one complain to $5,000? Probably not, but it does need some touch-up paint. Again, right here, it just looks like some dirt. So that takes care of most of that. But all in all, it's okay, but it's rough, fast. It's the baseboards were not quite hit all the way.